Do you have a leftover rice in your fridge or broke but don't feel like eating it? Boo! Then follow my new recipe on cooking fried rice as a broke person without needing to buy all those expensive ingredients. Now this video is supposed to be a 58 seconds video, so pardon me if you don't understand much from the video, but I'm going to leave the description down below for you to follow. So simple and easy. Thank you. As you could see, I melted my butter in the beginning because I don't have vegetable oil. It's my first time, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but let's see anyway.